Good morning. I am Captain Prakash Jog and I welcome you all to a lecture on career guidance to join Merchant Navy. This lecture is lecture number 3 of the series, part 1, and here we are going to discuss, or I am going to explain you whether your child is suitable and fit to join Merchant Navy. And this lecture, part 1 and part 2, they are both general about whether the child is fit and suitable to join any stream in Merchant Navy. So we will proceed from here onwards. Already we have discussed earlier that ship has just about 20 persons team on board the ship and to run the ship. And these 20 people, they are highly skilled and trained crew. There is no duplication of the rank, so each person has to perform his own duty without any break and without falling sick. And even he falls sick, there are very limited avenues open of medication, and that is why the sailors have to be fit on board during their entire tenure from joining till signing off. This team of 20 people on board, inclusive of crew and officers, are most of the time multicultural, multinational nationals, and multilingual. That is, they will be having coming from different countries, different culture, and talking different languages, eating different food, different habits, different religions, and one has to get adjusted there and accommodate himself in this sort of a team. If you are working on Indian flagship, then you will be sailing with only Indian crew, but those Indian crew also, they will be from different states, having different culture, different language, and they will be also having different food habits. So in this different uh, culture, languages, multinational, one has to adjust. Here another thing, this job, why we are discussing so much whether he is fit or whether he is suitable or not, because this job is not a 10 to 5 office job where you go to office in the morning and evening every day you come home, or you may be working little away from your house where you work for a week and Saturday, Sunday you come home. This job is not like that. Once you join for entire duration and entire period of 6 months, 9 months, 4 months, you will not be coming home. So question remains whether your child is able to stay without you for long duration at a stage, and vice versa, whether parents are able to stay without having child at home for long durations. So this also one has to see when you are selecting this field or parents are selecting this field for their child. The child will be several miles away from home, and that also without much socialization, because on board team is only 20 people, and these 20 people also They are very busy working and resting. So very little time is there for socialization. So they are as good as staying alone and several miles away from home. Nowadays, at least you are having WhatsApp communication on which you can daily communicate with your family people, shore people, and remain in contact. Earlier, maybe 15 years back, this also facility was not there. Okay, so this also one has to take into account. Then child's fitness, physical, mental, and psychological. So we are going to give little stress on all these fitnesses: physical fitness, mental fitness, and psychological fitness. Out of this physical fitness, there is a medical test, thorough medical test, whether child is fit to work on board ship. So this is done by medical people. And other thing, mental and psychological, this we are going to discuss more in detail. In next lecture, part 2 of this, whether my child is suitable or fit to join merchant navy, we will discuss psychological and mental fitness of the child. So please do watch lecture number 3, part 2. Thank you for your time and watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel to get new videos early, and do not forget to give your comments. Thank you.